Today is the 8th of October 2010. This is a quick silver update on the technical time frame. And yesterday we seen silver go from this 23.5 in intraday trading down to 22.50. Big sell off, or you can call it a correction. And when you break a big resistance level, this level was resistance on many of occasions, and then it finally broke through it. We can see that this little area here is an area where it tried and did successfully find a level of support. That on a technical level, when you play breakout, some people see a breakout here, they want to just get in on the market. They want to play the breakout at that point there. Some would like to say, okay, it's up big. I want to see it come back to previous resistance, and as it pulls away from it, that's when I want to go long. And this is the as it pulls away, right in towards this level here. Also, on a break of this type of pattern, when it's an uptrend line like this one is, and it goes north of it, that can very often increase the volume and the volatility and have bigger moves towards the upside. The volume yesterday on the shares was really big. Now, don't take a look at that as, okay, it's a big volume at a top area. That means it's going to be a top. It could mean that to be the case, but at the same point, we've been having very low volume for quite some time. And because we've had this bullish case, we've had a large run up as of now. We've barely ever been below the 5-day moving average. Here was a brief period. There we were below it, and that's it. And then even yesterday, I said yesterday that we were probably below the 5-day moving average, and if you count the 2350 level, we probably barely were. However, it has managed to make its way a little higher. Now we'll do some Fibonacci. And the Fibonacci variables we're going to connect is these lows of 22.5 and the intraday highs of 2350. Just because it's not on this chart or it didn't happen during the American time frame didn't mean that that actually happened. It's a worldwide market that trades 24/7, 5 days a week. And the 2250 low and 2350 high gave us a 38.2 level of 2288 and 2311. So therefore 2288 was really not that much resistance, and it managed to come right up to the 2311 variable, which you don't see it on the chart, but that's pretty much exactly where it topped out. As of 10:50 a.m., it is at 2309. So we're at this key Fibonacci level. If it bursts through it, we're most likely going to 2350. It could very easily correct a little bit through price, establish a higher low, and then work its way higher. That's another possibility. And it could even zigzag away through time at this level before making its move higher as another possibility. So therefore, the the pattern is extremely bullish. Now, if it does manage to go lower, build a higher low, and then even higher, and then start to roll over, then we're going to have another test of this Fibonacci level. And this is a big Fibonacci level too. The reason for it is from this low and this high, this is the 2/3 retracement level at 2250. I was pointing that out yesterday. And it had a successful test. And when you have a successful test and you're not able to go higher, you come back to it, odds are you take it out. But as of now, the play is long. If you are playing on the short-term time frame, put your stop somewhere below this uptrend line, below the 5-day moving average, or more importantly, below the 2250 level. And as the markets get higher, raise your stops. I don't talk much about stops, but if you're in any type of trade, any type of strategy you can use to maximize profits is a smart one. If you're here, you bought this area here, okay, so you have a stop loss here. Then it goes below this line, goes higher, you adjust your stop here. Then you adjust your stop, you adjust your stop, you adjust your stop, you adjust your stop, you adjust your stop. And there's a lot of long participants still in because their stops have not been violated as of yet. The selling yesterday was not enough to get some people out. It really just got us back to the top end of this range that we've been in. And this is a look at an area of the resist or the support level. So we can see we're at the top part of this, looking to break higher. So we'll have a longer video this weekend. I'll put the gold to silver ratio. If there's anything else you would like to see, please let me know today. And have yourself an amazing Friday. Take care.